Hello, this is another video. Welcome to Numerical Dex on substitutions for class 12 calculus differentiation. See, the sum is, this is logarithm expression, logarithmic expressions. So sum is x to the power p y to the power q equal to x plus y whole to the power p plus q. We have to prove dy by dx equal to y by x. So x to the power, so writing the line, now taking logarithm, let us take the logarithm. Taking logarithm on both sides. So whenever these sums are in terms of exponent or exponential form, always take the logarithm on both sides, so that sum will be differentiation, all will subject to differentiation. So this is p log x plus q log x, and on the right hand side p plus q into log x plus I. Always remember, in log on calculus the base is e always. Now differentiating with respect to x, so it is p constant dtx of log x plus q constant into dy of log y, because we are differentiating with respect to x, so it is like this, write down. Okay, so dy of log y, then dy by dx. Now p plus q constant, and dd here again x plus y into, okay, because x plus y we assume for x plus y v, because dd x of log x plus y not possible, but log v possible. So let's continue, follow the previous step carefully, especially right hand side. The chain rule is used within the logarithm expressions, so it is so easy. Now this is 1 by 1 on the right hand side, p plus q, now 1 by v into 1 plus dy by dx. No problem. Is equal to p plus q, putting the value of v, x plus y, and that is 1 plus dy by dx. Now we have to write down, arrange the multiply p plus q by x plus y. These are the general steps where students confuse, though appears for all students, telling not for few students. Students who are beginner, look these steps very carefully. So this is p plus x cubed y dy dx. And now on the right hand side, multiply the entire p plus q by x plus y. P plus q by x plus y into 1, okay, plus again p plus q by x plus y into dy by dx. So these are the steps actually. Very careful, nothing difficult, but be careful. Now transferring the dy dx on the left hand side, taking common, so the time will be saved, or otherwise the video will be much more longer. So this, and on the right hand side, so dy dx is taking common or taken common. Now the rest terms on the right hand side, minus b by x. Now let us simplify step by step. Very confusing step, because this mere simplification sometimes leads something wrong in doing the sum. So let us do the sum very carefully. So what to simplify and what to keep? First you have to see the sum, the taking on simplification, and minus, very careful. So this is the LCM. On the right hand side, thus now dy dx is outside, so you have simplified the inside of bracket. Similarly, this is minus px minus py, LCM, x into x plus y. So on the both side x plus y will cancel. So x plus y have gone, and on the numerator also this, and on the right hand side also two terms have been cancelled. Now let's see what is the next step. It is x qx minus py by y only. On the right hand side also peculiarly, see interesting point or steps, again py by x. So the numerator on the both sides are cancelled. Very interesting this part. Now dy by dx equal to, I think the proof is followed directly from this step, is equal to y by x. So this is proved. Hope you have understood this sum. Be careful, especially the steps where the simplifications have been done. So be careful and practice it. It is not a difficult sum. You can follow this sum. Thank you, and let's come to the another sum. This sum is interesting to look. Y equal to root x whole to the power root x whole to the power root x to up to infinity term. We have to show these sums are apparently looking difficult, but these are very common sum and not difficult to manage. So interesting to this type of format. Let's start. That y equal to root x whole to the power y root y equal to, this is the given. So y equal to root x, the power can be replaced by y only. The power can be replaced by y only, because see, this entire power is equal to y, we can rather write down. Now let us take the logarithm, because this is the in the form of exponent, so we must take the logarithm. C. Taking logarithm on both sides, log y equal to y into half, because x to the power half log x. Now log, you know this, though I am writing it here. So log x to the power n is multiplied, you know, so this is used here. Y is placed in front of log using this law of log shown in the bracket. Now log y equal to 2 log 2 is multiplied on both sides, so equal to y log x. Now we differentiate the sum. Often asked in the examinations in any board, CBSE, ISC or any state boards also. This is a very important sum in many competitive examinations also. This type of sum is asked. This type of form is not difficult. So now on the right side is the product rule. So y into dt log x, then log x, then dy of y into dy by dx. Look this step carefully. Someone confused. Which is dy of y. We cannot write down ddx of y. Follow this step. So it is 1 by y. So whenever there is a log y, make it dy of log y into dy by dx. We have to make the respect in terms of same parameter. Anyway, so y by log x is 1 by x. Now log x into dy by dx. dy of y is 1, not writing here. So now just arranging the dy dx on the left hand side and taking common dy dx, and is equal to y by x. Now taking LCM of y, it is 2 log minus y whole y into dy by dx is equal to y by x. But now this implies dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to, the answer follow, see the proofs. So dy by dx x into answer you follow directly. No need to elaborate the sum much more, because this is the final steps. We got it. So not difficult sum. Thank you very much. Follow it, practice it. Hope you can do it. Thank you.